In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a block quote to an email in Gmail. This is a really handy skill to have when you want to make a specific text stand out in your message, maybe to highlight an important statement or a memorable quote. Let's walk through the process together. So by the end of this video, you'll be comfortable adding block quotes to enhance the clarity and professionalism of your emails. To get started, you'll need to open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, look for the Compose button, typically located on the left-hand side of your Gmail dashboard. Click on it to start a new email. You should see a pop-up window, which is your blank email ready for you to craft your message. Now let's move on to typing out your quote. Think of what text you want to emphasize. Once you have that, go ahead and type it into the email composition area. Having your quote typed out first makes the following steps much easier and helps you visualize how it will eventually look. With your quote typed, you'll need to highlight it. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse over the text you've just typed. This will select the text, making it ready for the formatting changes that turn it into a block quote. Next, you'll need to look slightly below your email text for a small icon that says Formatting Options. It appears as a letter A with a paintbrush beside it. Clicking this will reveal additional tools you can use to spruce up your text. This step is essential as it opens up the avenue for more creative and professional text enhancements. Continuing on, you'll see a drop-down icon within the formatting options. Clicking this will expand a list of formatting preferences available to you. Scanning through these tools, look for the quote icon. This icon looks like quotation marks and is specifically designed to signify block quotes within your email. Finally, click this quote icon. By doing so, you instantly convert your highlighted text into a block quote. You should now see your quote indented, shrinking the line width to give it an elegant and distinguished appearance that's distinct from the surrounding text, making it clear to the reader that this is a quotation or highlighted text. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a block quote to your email in Gmail. This technique is perfect for emails where you want to draw attention to something very specific or make your message more engaging aesthetically. As always, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with this feature to truly make your email stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.